Who is it?
It's me, girl. Kiki, I told you to call first.
Girl, please, your man not even home. You don't be doing nothing anyways.
You don't know anything.
Okay, can you shut up now?
Did you do it? Do what, Kiki? What? Do what?
The rice water.
Oh, yeah, the rice water. Yeah, I did it. I did it. Okay, did it work? Well, I don't know. I haven't really, done it.
You ain't do it yet? Why you ain't doing it yet? People been waiting for the results. What's taking you so long?
Girl, I said I was gonna do it.
Child, bye. Whatever. Just call me whenever you get it done, okay? Because I ain't got time for you.
Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Okay, so as you can see, I have my mason jar here, and hopefully this is enough rice water. It was actually supposed to sit for a week, but it actually sat for 2 weeks, so that's really good news. So this is my natural hair in its natural form. I don't know why it looks so red right now. I think it's just the lighting in the bathroom. Normally my hair is like a sandy brown color, but that's besides the point. Anyway, so I'm just showing you guys how my hair texture looks, how it is in its natural form. There is deep conditioning inside my hair right now, so I'm about to rinse that out. And once I do that, I'm going to show you guys how to prep my hair. Now, I couldn't find a regular shirt to show you guys the length of my hair, like, as far as like the shirts with the lines on it. I couldn't find one. So I'm just going to just show you guys, how long my hair is just by maybe using my tattoo. So yeah, you can say it's a little bit past shoulder length. And of course, it's a little bit past my chin area as well. So, and I'm going to show you how it looks in the back. I think I wasn't able to capture the whole thing because I was too far up to the camera. But yeah, let's rinse this out and let me show you guys how I do it. Okay, so I went ahead and just rinsed out that deep conditioning that I had in my hair. And now I'm just prepping my hair to go ahead and apply the rice water, the grand finale. Yes, finally. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch it. I'm gonna speed up the video. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can see it for yourself. It's really not that hard. But one thing I do want to say is, if you're able to make a second patch of rice water, go ahead and do that, because my hair is thick and I'm gonna be using this rice water for every day for a week. I might not have enough. So, just go ahead and make a second patch, or just make a whole lot. Okay. Okay, so whenever you are done letting the rice water sit in your hair for about 20 minutes, you want to go ahead and rinse it out. I chose not to use a shampoo. I just rinsed it out with water. And the reason why is because I had washed my hair already the night before. So I just rinsed it out with cold water. And then I'm going to follow up with a leave-in conditioner or some type of curling cream.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look how long my hair just grew. Like, yo, that rice water though. That rice water though. Oh yeah, okay. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Alright, so no, for real. Okay, so you seen my process of how I applied my rice water, how I rinsed my hair out, and basically what I'm doing now, the reason why I put on this wig is because I do not want to mess with my hair at all. I want to keep my hair in a protective hairstyle for the next, I say, month. This is my son. My son is the one that's making up all this. Look, say hey. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Okay, baby. Okay, that's expensive. This is expensive camera. All right. So I think it's just like really smart for us, if you're trying this out at home, that you keep your hair in a protective hairstyle. So do not mess with your hair. Just use the rice water for about a month. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Julian, chill out. So I'm gonna be using my the rice water for about a month just to see the results. And I'm gonna put my hair in a protective hairstyle. So I stole this from Kiki. I beat her behind the other day. I beat her, I took her wig, you know, I washed it, you know, whatever. Now, you know, it looks better on me than it does on her. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry about the noise. You want to say bye? No. Yes? No? That means yes. Here. Ugh. Say bye, YouTube. Thank you for watching. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys next time.